You've probably heard that affiliate marketing is a great way to earn a side income with an online business. And after 14 years doing affiliate marketing, I can tell you it is. But it's not as easy as some people make out. There's a lot you need to know. There are plenty of methods of affiliate marketing that don't work, and there are some key steps you have to get right if you want to use affiliate marketing to build a legitimate, lasting income online. I'm Andrew Hansen from digitalworth.com, and this video is a beginner's guide to getting started earning money with affiliate marketing. It's not just going to give you theories, but practical steps you can take to get up and running as quickly as possible, even if you've never done anything like this before. If you like this video, click the red button to subscribe so you get all our latest videos on how we and our students have increased our incomes with affiliate marketing. Okay, first things first, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is helping sell another company's products for a commission. Simple as that. Online affiliate marketing is where you encourage someone to click on a link to buy something or sign up for something. That link has a tracking ID embedded that's unique to you. When the person buys the thing or signs up for the thing after clicking your link, you earn a prearranged commission from the seller of that product. Sell enough products like this consistently enough, and you can create an income stream for yourself without having to ship any products or manage any customers of your own. Today, online affiliate marketing is pretty mainstream. Even big online businesses have recognized its value in generating revenue in a way that's more relevant and more meaningful to an audience than, say, running generic ads. The New York Times, through their property The Wirecutter, Business Insider, Mashable, heck, even Kim Kardashian, are examples of highly successful enterprises that now use affiliate marketing to generate revenue. At its best, affiliate marketing is helpful and value-laden. It finds people who are looking to solve a problem or improve at something or accomplish something, and provides them recommendations to information, products, and services they're bound to find useful. And for you as an affiliate marketing business owner, it can be a way to earn a living that's flexible, location independent, with a high upside and a high potential for passive income. Before we get to specific steps, I'll tick off a few common questions about affiliate marketing that you might have if you're a beginner. First question, how do you actually get paid? When you're starting out affiliate marketing, you'll register for an affiliate network, usually more than one, where you'll find the products you can promote to earn your commissions. You'll enter your payment details at this affiliate network, and when you've accumulated some minimum payment threshold, it could be $50 or $100, they'll pay you. You'll usually be paid by PayPal or direct deposit to your bank account. Sometimes you might even be paid by check. And this is all true, by the way, even if you're an affiliate from outside the US. Just note that if you're outside the US, all affiliate networks have their own policies, and some might only accept affiliates from certain countries, which might exclude you from joining. Second question, how much can you earn affiliate marketing? The answer here is a bit like how long's a piece of string. There are affiliate marketing businesses worth hundreds of millions of dollars. If you want an example of one of those, you can check out the website nerdwallet.com. Similarly, there are tiny affiliate marketing websites run by random people that still earn thousands of dollars a month, even though they haven't been touched in years. Affiliate marketing can earn as much money as you want to put time, effort, and investment into it. Question 3, how long does it take to start earning? I think it's important for people to understand that affiliate marketing isn't some quick income opportunity. In fact, while you're here, let me say, in case no one's told you yet, that there are no quick income opportunities, and that any legitimate way to make money with an online business takes months of consistent work and effort to get established. If you're looking to start an affiliate marketing business, you should have in mind that it's something you'll work on for at least a year, if you plan on building an income up any higher than, say, $1,000 a month. Of course, you can, and people do, get results more quickly than this, but it varies a lot, and that's a good conservative benchmark to start out with. Okay, so now you've got the definition and some of the FAQs out of the way, let's talk about actually getting started. How do you actually start affiliate marketing? Well, to get started, you need 3 important things. If you take nothing else from this video, screenshot this next bit, note it down, remember it. You ready? Number 1, it takes a target market. Number 2, it takes an affiliate offer, that is a product to sell. And number 3, it takes traffic. Starting an affiliate marketing business means having an answer to each of those 3 questions. Who's your target market? What are you going to sell them? And how are you going to get them to visit you? Let's start with an example of one kind of affiliate marketing we'll be discussing in this little series. A video from YouTube. This is a video where a lady is doing a comparison between 2 makeup brushes or something. Fine, I have no idea what those are. But she's helping people decide which one is better. And in the text below the video, she has affiliate links. When someone clicks one of those links and buys either product, she earns an affiliate commission. Let's answer the 3 key questions for this affiliate marketing example. Question 1, who's the target market? Well, pretty clearly here, it's people interested in skincare. Question 2, what's the affiliate offer? It's called the Foreo Luna, which she had to find an affiliate program for. That affiliate program here happens to be one called Sephora.com. It's a big online store for beauty products. And question 3, how does it get traffic? Well, for this one video, there are a few ways. People can find that video in a YouTube search. The video might rank in Google for some of its target keywords, or it might appear on other people's websites or profiles. Whichever it happens to be, this person now has the 3 things needed for successful affiliate marketing: a target market, an affiliate offer, and traffic. Now you know those 3 core ingredients. It's time to talk about the 3 main ways affiliate marketing is done. There are 3 main methods of affiliate marketing, and each requires those 3 core ingredients. The 3 main methods of affiliate marketing are: Number 1, affiliate marketing with a profile. Number 2, affiliate marketing with advertising. And number 3, affiliate marketing with a website. There is literally no way to make money affiliate marketing that doesn't fall under one of those 3 umbrellas. For a quick 1-sentence introduction of each, affiliate marketing with a profile is where you're using a platform like YouTube or Facebook or Instagram to create valuable content, to build up an audience that you can then promote products to as an affiliate. Affiliate marketing with advertising is where you don't need a profile or a website, you just buy ads on other websites and direct the traffic straight to some affiliate offer that pays you commissions. Before you get excited, it's not as easy as it sounds. And finally, affiliate marketing with a website is where you're building your own site, you're creating content, building up traffic that you can then promote products to as an affiliate. You want to hear something cool that you can already do armed with the knowledge that you've just gained? You can now look critically at any affiliate marketing video or strategy or blog post that you see being discussed. When some YouTuber says they made $42,000 in a month affiliate marketing, or they found a new affiliate marketing method that's earning $100,000 a year, you'll now be able to assess it calmly, knowing that no matter what, they're either affiliate marketing with a profile, with advertising, or with their own website. And whichever of those 3 it is, they had to have the 3 core ingredients: a target market, an affiliate offer, and traffic. If they're not telling you about those ingredients, or they're saying they didn't need them, it's a bit of a red flag. So those are the basics of affiliate marketing. You now understand what affiliate marketing is, how you get paid, how much you can make, and how much time it takes. You know the 3 key ingredients to any affiliate marketing business. They are a target market, an affiliate offer to promote, and traffic. And you know the 3 main methods of affiliate marketing that combine those 3 key ingredients. They are affiliate marketing with a profile, affiliate marketing with advertising, and affiliate marketing with a website. In the next video of this little series, we're going to dive deeper on each of the 3 main methods of affiliate marketing and look at the steps you can take to get them up and running, earning affiliate commissions as quickly as possible. If you have any questions about affiliate marketing or something you saw in this video, don't hesitate to ask us in the comments below and we'll get back to you as quickly as possible. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you get notified immediately when we release new videos on earning an income with affiliate marketing. Bye for now.